How to run Windows 11 on an Apple Silicon Mac in just a few seconds. This guide is made for NPCs, meaning your grandma or someone who doesn't understand tech at all. First of all, go down to the description of this video and click on the first Parallels Desktop link. This is an affiliate link and here you can purchase Parallels Desktop. You can also just try out the free trial version and see how it is first. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the Parallels Desktop installer. And now let's just wait. Okay, it's done. Then you simply head over to Downloads and open up Parallels Desktop DMG. And then once you see this, just click on Install. Open. Installing Parallels Desktop and just wait for it to install. Parallels Desktop is trying to begin the installation, just allow it to do that. Type in your password. Allow access, and then you can also eject that Parallels disk installer. And then once Parallels is installed, you should see this little window which says create new virtual machine, basically. We are gonna get just Windows 11 from Microsoft, so let's just hit this one and click on continue and install Windows. And now it's simply going to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft servers and it's going to create the virtual machine for us. So all we have to do is just wait. Okay, and now it's finishing up. About 5 minutes later and it's done. And now it's going to install Windows 11. We can see the Windows setup is there. Installing Windows 11. Installing, please keep your computer on. It's been about 10 minutes so far. This might take a few minutes. And about 15 minutes later, we can see that installation is complete. Click to continue. Windows License Agreement, accept, sure, yes. And what you can do now is, you see this green button, you can just press on it and Windows 11 will just enter full screen, just like this. And to get back to your Mac, you can just switch desktops, just like this. Or what you can do is hover over the top and just click this green button once more, and it will exit full screen, basically. So we can see that we have a fresh installation of Windows 11. And what you also might notice right away is that it's closely integrated with macOS. All of your macOS files appear on here as well. There are a couple things I would like to touch on that you just have to know. In order to shut down Windows 11, what you can do is, of course, you can open up the Start menu and click on this button, and here you have options shut down, restart, and lock, and stuff like that. So you can do it from there. But what you can also do is go right here to the top menu panel, and then go to Actions, and you can also shut down and restart and suspend and pause from here. Also, I think if you use this red button, it's going to suspend the virtual machine. It doesn't shut it down, it only suspends it. Then the next thing we have to look at is if you go to Parallels Desktop in your dock, you can right click and click on Control Center. And there you're gonna see your Windows 11 virtual machine. You can click on this little cog icon right here and we can configure this virtual machine basically. Specifically, what I wanted to look at is hardware settings. Of course, you can leave it to automatic, which for most cases is what you should do. But if you like some manual configuration and you just need maximum performance out of your Windows 11 virtual machine, then you can also adjust how many processors you would like to allocate and how much memory. So I have a MacBook with 16 gigabytes of memory. I can allocate like 12 gigabytes of RAM to this virtual machine. And processors, I'm gonna leave it automatic. And by default, you also have the Windows 11 virtual machine integrated with macOS, but you can also turn it off if you don't like it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around the channel.